What's going on, world? It's WB. About to give y'all 16. Let's get it. Be careful in the hood, cause you could be the one to get touched. It takes more to put the hawk in your gut than pulling a gun. Commander-in-Chief, trying to figure out how many blocks I run. This is live and direct, no publicity stunt. Thinking I don't know what's going on, I'm calling a bluff. Making sure the block ain't hot and the charges in the cut. People are gonna hate regardless of what you say. I'm trying to cook it up like an entree. Keep it 100, keep it 100 is what they all say. Shots ricochet through windows in broad day. Inside they really soft. See, I can't relate to that. I'm cut from a different cloth. Leave a lane stuck, not going up, like the life of Jaws. Forensics don't help the death or cause. Life ain't perfect, everybody has flaws. They trying to rub two nickels together, bringing fish bait off the rod. When it's time for battle, I'm screaming call of duty. This is reality, I'm not stealing clips from a movie. My territory isn't meant to intrude. Like hopping over black and yellow tape, you're on the news. My flow infected with swine flu, so if you breathe it in, you'll be a lost cause like eating non-edible food. WB, holla at your boy. 617-773 Boston and Chicago, salute. You already know what it is. Hershey G, what up? Nunu, what up? Brianna, what up? Landon, what up? All my East 69th Street kids, you already know what time it is, man. It's all love, baby. May 21st. I'm still here, baby, doing what I do. Holla.